Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Oppo A98. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the top search, find Microsoft Edge. When it's ready, click on the open. First thing you see is introduction. You can read through it to learn some interesting features about this browser, although I'm gonna skip it. Now we can customize a homepage with a wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. You can click on now to disable all of the settings. I'm gonna go with next. Here, sign in to turn on synchronization between other Microsoft Edge browsers on different devices. I'm gonna click on that now. Set Edge as the default browser, and here accept or disagree with the data sharing preference. Now the browser is ready, we can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.